Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of my random grungy labels from days gone by. It's a new digital I just uploaded to my shop a few days ago. It is volume 3 in the series. However, there are a lot more labels from days gone by digital kits than just the 3. So this is sort of how it breaks down just really quickly. Volume 1, all neutrals. Volume 2, all neutrals. Volume 3, what we have here, mostly neutrals, but we do have some red, green, and blue. And then we have labels from days gone by, all red. We have one in blue. We have one in green. Then we have them in the pastel series. Yellow and purple are together. Pink and turquoise are together. And blue and green are together. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 digitals in the series of all these amazing labels. Some of the colored ones you'll notice are the same labels in the previous digitals, just in different colors. Some of them. A lot of them not, but there are some that are like that. This one here, all brand new images, no repeats. So 11 pages, I think I said, did I say? I don't remember. 11 pages of large tags, and then 11 pages of the same tags in a medium, small, and sometimes tiny size. I have so many favorites. I really do. I think that is amazing. That makes me laugh every time I see it. Love this one for some reason. Just really love all the beautiful font. Yeah, super pretty. So that's page 1. And so you can see here, that is a large one. That is the medium. And there he is in the small. And most of them are like that. However, if you know me well, you know that I don't like to waste a lot of white space. I like to fill the whole page up for you guys. So I took my favorite ones and made even a smaller size yet, so a tiny one. So let me see, I'll give you an example. So here we have large, medium, small, tiny. Yeah, so there's a few that are like that. Did I do the same thing with the pens? No. Yeah, so page 1, page 2. Or that's actually 1 and then 1B. And this is page 2. So pretty. Of course, I have my favorites on every page. I really love this one. That's cool. Copyright edition presented by. That'd be a great label to put on a gift that you're giving someone. You could write your name there, presented by. Super cool. Of course, I tried to include lots of really interesting bits and bobs. I made these ones grungier than the volume 1 and 2. So there's a lot more grunge happening there, which is super fun. I love this one, Summer 1894. Every time I see it, it makes me wonder what it would have been like on a beautiful summer day in 1894. Yeah, super pretty. Love that one. And I love really cool, just different emblems and logos and symbolism and stuff like that. Really neat. So here they are in the smaller sizes. I like that one, finest grade. This 789, oh my goodness, it's so cool. This with the hand, so cool. That with the dating stamp, awesome. Yeah. And then the smaller sizes. That's really cool. It's some typography. It's got some letters and then some numbers and how you write those letters. I really love this one here. Super neat. And the general price list for 1904 in London. Yeah, super cool. And check this out. I'm not even entirely sure what it is. Obviously, it's like little buttons that you can press for some type of equipment. Maybe you guys know. If you know, tell me in the description box. Yeah. And then we have the smaller sizes. So that was page 5. Here we go with 6. Love these ones a lot because they're a lot more random. It's authentic. And I should say all of this is from authentic ephemera. I mean, I've taken bits and pieces sometimes to create one label, and I've cleaned it up and maybe changed the color and little things like that. But the content and the base main part of each of these labels are all authentic, which I find super cool. And then I just love all these genuine handwriting and ledger and dates and stuff. Really neat. These are super cool too. Like that one. Sorry, shouldn't be spending so much time telling you all the ones I like, but yeah, some circles there. They are in the 2-inch size and then the smaller size coming up here. I like that one, copy. These are a 1.5 inch and then a 1 inch. So perfect size for your punches. I made them just the hairline larger than a 2, 1.5, and a 1, so that you're not fighting trying to eliminate the white space. It'll come just inside of the circle. So should cut out perfectly. That's 7B. And we have 8. So here we've moved into some blues. Yeah, really neat. Like these bells, 1908. And this is super cool. It's like an old vintage tile. I can just picture that on so many pieces of ephemera. Love that. Only 2. Amusement. Yeah, really neat. Okay, so there is 8B, smaller sizes. Then we have greens. And the blues and the greens, they're not the same ones. They're completely different labels, just in green. Love this one with the frog stamp. Postcard with the stamp, that's cool too. Yeah, and these platform and station master, those are neat. Lots of bits and bobs for doing our decorating. Here we have our reds. Delivery not included. I really like this one too. I have part of this on one of the other digitals, but I've added to it, and there's more to it than the other one. On this one, and there they are in the smaller sizes. That's 10B, and then this is our last page, and we just have a little bit of a mix. We have some more blues and some more greens, a little bit more red. We even have an orange here, brown. I love this, super cool. And this arrow is neat. And then, oh, here it is. And then there is the smaller sizes. So that is the Random Grungy Labels from Days Gone By, Volume 3. All of the links to all of the digitals in this series can be found in the description box below, as well as all the links for the flip throughs for all of them if you'd like to take a look. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studio's design team. We have 10 amazing people on the team, and they are always creating with the Junk Journal Studio's digitals. So if you're a fan and you have some of those digitals, you might just find some inspiration there, and they are all linked below as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.